Hello everyone, welcome to Coding Ultimate Guide. This topic is about tuple in Python. So what is tuple? So tuple is just like list. Tuple is also an order collection of Python objects. The only difference between tuple and list is that tuple is immutable data types, which is mean that this data type cannot be editable or changeable, but list is editable and changeable. So this is the main difference between the list and tuple. So and tuple is represented by the tuple class, and that is also represented in the parentheses, just like this, and that contains multiple of data types. That is that can also contain that is list, set, numbers, strings, just like that. So that with that can be created with the single quote or double quotes, like the if it's single quote, double quote, that does not matter. Or you can also pass the number as well as or strings, set, dictionary. Okay. So for example, here let me give you the example. For example, let's say I will top content. Let's say net, right. Okay. You will print the top. It should be like say rename the top one. It gives the present coding ultimate guide with the parentheses, because parentheses should represent in the tuple format. If I print the type of the tuple, it give me the tuple type, which is the tuple in the tuple class. Okay. So if I give you the another example, let's say I have the list that contains this is my list, and that contains the ultimate ultimate two, ultimate three. See, right. If I run this, it give me the same tuple object. Okay. If I remove the type of this tuple, give me the first string, which is my coding string, and then that is the list object, and that is also my string object. Okay. So this is the tuple. So if I want to change the just like change the element, just like this, let me first give you the rule of the tuple. The rule is let me do that. Tuple is immutable. That means not editable, not changeable. Changeable. Okay. So this is my first rule of tuple. So if I'll do like say the first index is my zero, which is my coding, which is the first index which is here, which is coding. If I change to the hello, okay, we have print again top one. It will give me the error from this. It will give me the error because tuple does not support item assignment. So it's just like that. Tuple cannot be changeable or editable because this is the first rule of tuple. Tuple is an immutable type of data type, so I cannot change its value. Okay. If I do it like this, let's say uh, like this. So can I do like this? Just like if I will say first one, and the first object. First one means this is my first index, which is my in the list, right? In the first index, there is the again first the zero means the first index, which is my ultimate. Okay. So the one means to the first one means the first zero means codings, and the one means this. the second one, which is the list. Inside the list, there's the first object, which is zero. That means that the ultimate. If I print this, let me print out. Say print out. So far, it will give me the output. It will give me the ultimate. Alright. If I want to change, just like this, and to the hello, will print top one, or it will give me the output. Let's see. It will give me the hello, because as I told you that inside the this is my tuple object, right? But there is the which is my zero index, which is my first index is coding, and second index is in the list. As I told you that list is editable or changeable, so that is the rule of the list. So inside the list, I'm changing the first index. So the first index is my ultimate. I change the first index to the hello. Okay, so that ultimate will be replaced by the hello keyword. So I'll print the top one, it will give me the output as coding hello ultimate 2 and ultimate 3 guide. Okay, you run this to give me the same output. So this is the rule of tuple. Okay, so here also the second rule of tuple is that, so indexing is here also allowed in the tuple. Indexing also allowed in the tuple. Okay, this is the second rule of tuple. Okay, and next thing is that the what is the difference between the tuple and list. So this is the most interview question in MNC company. What is the difference between list and tuple? The main difference between list and tuple is list is mutable type data type, which is means that list can be editable, and the tuple is immutable. That means the tuple cannot be changeable. So although the tuple is not changeable, so that's why the tuple is faster than the list, and the list is slower than the tuple. So this is the main difference between the tuple and list. Okay, so that's it from the tuple part. So in the next part, we're going to see set data type. Okay.